Can I recover compensation for neck and back pain that keeps me from doing chores and daily activities? Yes, compensation in a personal injury claim can include more than medical bills. If your neck or back pain keeps you from cleaning, lifting, driving, sleeping, cooking, or handling normal household tasks, that can support a claim for pain and suffering and for how the injury changed your daily life. The key is proof. You need to show the incident caused the symptoms, that the limits are real, and that your records consistently describe those problems. Helpful evidence can include medical records, therapy notes, a simple daily journal, statements from family members, and examples of chores or routines you could do before but struggle with now. Insurance companies usually respond better to specific details than general statements. One important caution: if the other side claims you were partly at fault, that can seriously affect recovery. And do not wait too long while negotiations continue, because filing deadlines still apply.